Question 6 of this exercise says the chord of a circle of radius 15 cm subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the areas of the corresponding minor and major segments of the circle. So let's find the area of the minor segment, that is ABCA. So to find that, what we can do, we can find the area of the minor sector OABC, and after that we can find the area of the triangle OAC, and when we subtract them we will get the value of the area of the segment. So we know the formula to find the area of sector, that is theta divided by 360 degree multiplied by pi r square. So the value of theta is given, that is 60 degree. So it will be 60 degree divided by 360 degree multiplied by the value of pi is given, that is 3.14, and radius is 15 square. So on solving this, we'll get the area of sector OABC equals to 117.75 square centimeter. Now let's find the area of triangle OAC. To find the area of triangle OAC, what can we do? As it is given in the question that OA is the radius and OC is also the radius. So which means if both the sides are equal, which means angle A equals to angle C and they both equals to 60 degree. Because this is 60 degree, which means the sum of these two angles is basically 120 degrees, and as they both are equal, so which means angle A and angle C are 60 degree, which means this is basically an equilateral triangle. So let's find the area of triangle OAC. So we know the formula to find the area of an equilateral triangle, that is root 3 by 4 into A square, and A is the side of the equilateral triangle. So we have the value of root 3, that is 1.73 divided by 4 multiplied by 15 into 15. And on solving this, we'll get the area of triangle OAC as 97.3125 square centimeter. Now we can easily find the area of the minor segment ABCA, which is basically the difference between these two. So it is 117.75 minus 97.3125, and on solving this we'll get the area of minor segment as 20.4375 square centimeter. Now area of major segment ADCA basically equals to area of circle minus area of minor segment ABCA. So we know how to find the area of circle, that is pi into r square, which is 15 square minus 20.4375, and we know the value of pi, that is 3.14 multiplied by 15, and 15 minus 20.4375. And on solving this, we'll get the area of major segment as 686.0625 square centimeter. So that is the area of the major segment ADCA.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.